Hi, my name is Rushikesh Ramrao Jadhav, second MBBS student, DFMC Jalgaon. My topic is anti-Parkinson drugs, Parkinsonism. It is extrapyramidal motor disorder occurs due to the degeneration of dopamine neurons in the substantia nigra pars compacta, resulting in dopamine deficiency. It occurs in 2% of elderly population. Classically, this is of 7 decades of life. An imbalance between inhibitory neurons and excitatory neurons. Anti-Parkinson drugs, dopaminergic drugs and anticholinergic drugs are two types of anti-Parkinson drugs. Dopamine drugs included dopamine precursor, dopamine agonist and dopamine facilitator, and anticholinergic drugs included anticholinergics and antihistaminic drugs. Levodopa. Levodopa is a metabolic precursor of dopamine. Inactive by itself, 90% of an oral dose is decarboxylated in the peripheral tissue, mainly gut and liver, and converted into D. Only about 1 to 2% of administration of levodopa crosses to the brain, always used in combination with carbidopa. Adverse effect of Parkinsonism. At the initiation of therapy, CNS manifestation, euphoria, anxiety, insomnia, and psychological disturbance as confusion, hallucination, dyskinesia, GIT manifestation, nausea and vomiting due to the stimulation of D2 receptor in citizen. Constipation and bleeding of peptic ulcer may occur. Serious manifestation, posture, hypertension, tachycardia and hypotension. Other are alternation of smell, taste and sensation, abnormal movement of facial tics. On-off phenomena may be due to the variable level of dopamine in CNS. In onset, patient enjoy normal mobility, and in offset, loss of beneficial effects of drugs. Example: patient unable to raise from chair on which he had sat few minutes ago, and treatment. Sustained release of formulation of L-dopa and carbidopa, a frequent administration of levodopa. Dopamine agonist, an alternative to levodopa, longer duration than levodopa. This will act on the striatal dopamine receptor even in advanced patients. Do not require enzymatic conversion. Bromocriptine, ergot derivative, don't require enzymatic conversion to active metabolites. Longer duration of action of than L-dopa, prevent motor complication. Mechanism of uses of Parkinsonism. Parkinsonism can be used alone, used as adjacent to levodopa, used in suppression of lactation and acromegaly and ECTS dependent tumors. Adverse effect: hallucination, confusion, vomiting. Contraindication, peptic ulcer, mental illness. Mechanism of action: selectively retard the breakdown of dopamine in the CNS, block the presynaptic dopamine receptor, inhibition of dopamine reuptake from the synapse. Pharmacokinetics: extensively metabolized in the liver, metabolized to dysmethylselegiline and methylphentamine, and convert into amphetamine. Adverse effect: posture, hypertension, confusion, and psychosis. Rasagiline, newer selective MAOB inhibitor, advantage 5 times more potent than selegiline, longer acting, not metabolized to amphetamine, does not produce excitatory side effect. Some symptoms of Parkinsonism: rigidity and trembling of the head, forward tilt of trunk, reduces arm swinging, suffering gait with short steps, rigidity and trembling of the extremities.